Good morning, class. Yes, our topic for today is political parties. What did I say? Political parties. Now, who can tell me the names of our presidential candidates and our gubernatorial candidates and the parties they belong to? Belkisu. Presidential candidates and the parties they belong to.
NNPP, Senator Dr. Rabi Umusa Kwankwasiyya and others.
Clap for her! Kano State.
Abba Yusuf Gida and others.
Bauchi State.
Haliru Jika and others.
Niger State.
Ibrahim Yahaya Sokodeki and others.
Enugu State.
Chief Kajeta and Eze and others.
Sokoto State.
Senator Umar Dahiru Tambuwal and others.
Jigawa State.
Malang Aminu Ringin and others.
Katsina State.
Engineer Nura Khalil and others.
Ogun State.
Olufemi Ajadi Oguntoyimbo and others.
Gombe State.
Kamisu Ahmad Melantarki and others.
Kaduna State.
Suleiman Usman Hunkuyi and others.
Nasarawa State.
Abdullahi Yakubu Medoya and others.
Kwara State.
Professor Shaibu Oba Abdurrahim and others.
Kebbi State.
Alhaji Nasir Abubakar Wamban Kebbi and others.
Zamfara State.
Kabiru Umar Jabaka and others.
Borno State.
Umar Alkali Nasku and others.
Yobe State.
Alhaji Garba Umar and others.
Adamawa State.
Alhaji Saad MC Tahir and others.
Clap for her! So class, the answer is all the NNPP presidential candidates and gubernatorial candidates and others. Again, all the NNPP presidential candidates and gubernatorial candidates and others.
This message is powered by National Media Action for NNPP. Action speaks louder than voice.